Starting something from scratch has always been hard, especially a YouTube channel. But I'm here to prove you that this is not that hard. The video you are watching currently, I haven't even done the scripting for this one. Like, if you want to start making YouTube videos, you don't actually need an expensive camera, you don't need an expensive microphone, you don't need to buy a new PC to edit those videos. If you have a phone, you can do it. Like, I am currently recording this on my phone. I'm using this cheap microphone. This is the only thing that I have invested in. Like, if you want to do something, don't invest in that at the starting. Just start doing that, and if you see any results after giving some time, then you can invest maybe some money, maybe more of your time. Most of us actually spend our day watching videos on social media, wasting our precious time that we can use to gain a new skill or make a new business or make a YouTube channel that we can post videos on that can be helpful for our future. Making yourself comfortable and doing things that is actually outside the box is always been hard. But actually, in a changing world where everything is becoming AI related, you need to do something or you're gonna die. Like, I was actually working a job 16 hours a day for some money that I can't even see. I have to just spend on my family to be stable. But after becoming a video editor, I think I'm doing good. My current goal is actually 1K a month that I want to achieve right now by editing videos. And to do that, I actually wanted to start a YouTube channel because it can show what I can do, what I am capable of. That's the best way I can do that, by starting a YouTube channel. So what I did, I didn't even make a script. Actually, I have done YouTube before, and whenever I make a video, I usually do research to the thumbnail, title, then I create the script, make some adjustment on the script, then I shoot what I'm currently doing, then I edit, then I post. But the main thing is that for this current video, this particular video, I haven't even done the scripting. Why? I have just written some points in my book, that's it. And after, I'm just talking to you to show you that you don't need much. If you are not comfortable to do something, just do the easiest way you can do that, the simplest way you can do that. I'm not making a lot of money, but I'm currently stable just because I tried something. I tried and it worked. I didn't know if it's gonna work. I have done a lot of things before that. Like, I have started a YouTube channel that didn't work. I have started an e-com business that didn't work because I didn't have the money. It was working, but I didn't have the money to do ads and that. But the thing is that I tried, man. I tried everything that I can. From making an Instagram page to sell courses, from doing side hustles like Amazon affiliates. The only two things that worked for me, I tried the e-com and actually I succeeded. I made some money, but that wasn't that much. It's really like pennies. I made pennies with that e-com website because I didn't have much money to invest on. I think I may start the e-com business again if I have the capital to start that. I even tried trading, but I think it was a stepping stone. If I haven't done the things I did, I might have not been in the same position that I am currently in right now. I am happy with the things I did because it gave me a stable flow to stand on. Now I can think for the future. Now I can do things. Now I can start a YouTube. Now I can start an e-com business because I have a stable ground right now. And if you want to start something, maybe it's a YouTube channel, maybe it's an e-com business, maybe it's Amazon affiliates, I don't know. What you can do is write down the most basic way you can start it, the most cheapest way you can start it. Do it for a couple of weeks, and if you see the results that are good, then you should be consistent on it, and then you can start investing small time and small money to it. But actually the problem with this current generation that I am and you are in is that we think a lot about what people might say if something we are doing that fails. Like if you are starting a YouTube channel and if you think your videos are not so good, and you may think that my friends are gonna say something bad, my relatives are gonna say something bad, they can talk behind my back. Don't share them any information about what you are doing, what you are trying to do, what you want to achieve. Don't tell them anything. What you should actually think on how you can improve your skills, how you can improve the quality and the quantity of the thing you're doing, and if you should collaborate with others or not. Because if you want to be successful, you can't do it alone. You need someone who can make things easy. Like maybe you are starting a YouTube channel and you don't know how to edit a video. You can do basic editing by yourself. But if you want to be successful for the later future, you can hire someone to edit the videos. If you don't know how to manage a Shopify website, you can hire someone else to manage that, manage the ads. You can't do everything by yourself. You need people to do the things and make your life easier. And if you want to start something that you have no clue on how to do that, just go on YouTube. YouTube is free. Search on the topic, learn from it, write it down the best and easiest way you can do that thing, like making a video, and then just do it. Don't think what people gonna say. Don't think if the video is like Iman Ghazi or not, because you can't do that. What you can do is the bare minimum that is required, like have a clean background, have a good lighting. You don't have to buy a good lighting for that. Just stand in front of a window, like I am recording in front of a window. I don't have a light. Ignore that. That's a handmade softbox. That's something my friend made. I'm actually not gonna say much. This video is enough for today. Without the script, I've done enough. The only thing that I'm gonna say at the end is don't think, just start.